What's up guys, welcome back to
Jaim TV.
Alright, and in the previous video I promised say I'm gonna try to drop a weekly vlog every week, so this is the start time. So right now we're about to run a small errand. We're going to go on the road, go supermarket, probably get some to eat. Anything else?
Post office.
Yeah, there's some small little things we're going to take care of, and we'll bring you guys with us, so forward.
Even though it's Friday.
Yeah, everything.
Yes, even though it's Friday.
Yeah, we start the weekly vlog Friday.
Yes.
During the week we don't have nothing to do really.
No, but I've been nagging him to start the vlog, but he never want to start it yet. So.
But better late than never do.
Yeah.
Alright, so stay tuned now. Forward. Alright, so we just reached Burger King, about to get something to eat.
Okay. Food. I'm hungry.
Alright guys, so Davey has starved. She a bad man for you. Food. Yeah, she abusive. It's like Johnny Depp and Amber. No joke. You see what she look for me?
I ain't even gonna say anything. I be hitting you?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't bet. You want me to keep it you?
I was on the couch, I was on the floor.
My dog stepped on a bee. What does that have to do with anything? What?
Sometimes we can't have people in case.
What kind of dog was it? Because
I joke, we can't have in case.
I know we can. I know we can. We're no jewelry, we're no we're no witness. No.
So, can you stop it something?
I'm sorry.
Can you think to me I go touch? I'm gonna tell you something I'm meal.
What's that? Guys, Jam have this thing where say females always hitting curves. I hit like 2 curves.
Is that female?
2 curves. 2? More like
Country.
it's about 2. But me not scrape the wheel I know. Anyways, we just buy one CD. Here they.
Okay, you can't frighten me, we know they nowhere near now.
What's going on?
2 number 3?
No onion?
Yeah, no onion. Yeah, onion.
I want
Onion, put onion. No pickle on one of them, please. Can I get no pickle on one?
Oh, that's 16 ribeyes. Okay.
I need pickles on mine.
There you go.
Alright, thank you.
I want to
Yeah, I'm hungry. Yo, me pre when I come in, somebody say my Jamaican accent, I deep is on them ever hear.
What?
I said that a cap.
You can't say cap.
No, wait,
It's
that's
what?
actually what them ever hear. For real. Yeah.
But you not talk bad compared to some people.
But I can't talk better than me.
I do.
So they understand you more. I know they understand me.
This is my video voice.
So we're currently at Nutsford. They've gone inside, gone collect a package, but we're gonna hear so for a bit. Go sit, eat, probably talk. I might say should I do an updated Q&A in the vlog, but Davey suggested late, like today, so we can't do that. So we don't even know where we're gonna sit down and talk about. So yeah, let's see. Davey want to talk about domestic violence, but I don't know. The world kind of sensitive now, and I don't want me say nothing where most people don't agree with, and then she says something nobody don't agree with, and then say it best to just leave that topic there alone. But maybe we talk about it, who knows? Maybe while we're eating. So just I wait for her to come back, and then start it and continue the vlog. Till we come back, so we're about to
Most of this vlog
driving.
is in the car. I love it. I don't drink soda often, but I love it.
I'm not drink soda at all.
What you about to do?
Huh?
What you about to do?
Lemonade.
Isn't you just look me straight in my eyes and cap.
I'm about to drink lemonade, bro.
Oh, sanitizer now.
No, sir.
I can't touch your money now. It's a sensitive topic because people sensitive to it.
Where I beat the woman for? Where I beat the man for? Keep your hand to yourself. That's it.
Look at that, please. You have to mess it up still.
Alright, so at first, when I really like Burger King, like based off of one experience, when it eat it and it didn't really taste good. It did cool. Yeah, and the burger itself just didn't taste good. So from that, I did claim say, oh, I don't like it, but it's actually good.
I love it.
David?
It's probably my favorite fast food. Fast food?
Over
Yeah.
KFC?
Yep.
Alright, so you see in Jamaica, people go crazy for KFC.
Always the line.
Crazy for KFC.
Always long.
Them claim to say Jamaica have one of the best states in KFC. Whenever I eat KFC overseas it before, you buy
It's
it?
trash.
Whenever I eat it overseas it before. But personally, KFC alright, it's not as good as people up.
In America, it's raw.
Oh,
The chicken is like really raw.
I want your top flavor.
Yeah. Okay, you know.
It's alright, but personally, it's not as good as people. Like, yo, Friday daytime right now, if you got a KFC line, the drive-through long, inside full. Like for what
packed.
reason?
The line is outside. It's crazy.
The people them complain about
The prices.
they complain about gas prices, but you know nobody are complaining about KFC prices. Yes, yeah.
And that price has been rising like non-stop. And people still.
Now KFC just drive up them price anytime they want.
Mm-hmm.
They go there today, price up by tomorrow. Anytime they want, and people not complaining about it. You know wrong them.
I raise my price too. But yeah, DB, domestic violence. What's your take on that?
I'm just telling you. Don't be the woman, don't be the man.
It's not that easy. It's not that easy.
It is.
It should be. But people are abusive. People have anger issues. You have men that are controlling. You have women who are manipulative. Vice versa.
Huh?
And it's a situation where like hard fate come out of.
True. But me I talk like for myself, like personally, me not see why. Me need to put me hand upon a female, and me not see why a female need to put her hand upon me. And that's something good. No, why? Guys, stay there. Alright, Frank, I'm look how far she there. She turn it upon me, make me the center of attention. You know, look. I'm coming on camera.
No man, them sit on and see me eat. Yeah, mama.
And don't come to me, bro. Don't eat. You boy don't eat. Don't talk with food near mouth. At least it's not show.
Right. And this is a mukbang. You can't wait till it stop choosing. Talk. And if it's still later.
So why you're a dick?
Leave. That's automatic. From if your nigga beat you or box you or something one time, he gonna do it again. For sure. And if it's a take it as a habit, feel lick you every time when you argue, it gonna always happen.
True.
So leave.
But you say not that easy?
It's not that easy, but that's my take on it. Because love.
Love will make you do some crazy things.
It has. On to the fourth thing of today, the supermarket. Yeah. Yeah, look at this big green plantain. Just look at it. Yeah, this is where we're finished. About to go and cash out. We are farmers. Alright, so we done finished
Everything that we have for the safari.
No, we're gonna pick up Arena. And then head home.
Get some sleep.
Let's sleep, man. Got stuff to do still. Cause we're going later. It's a busy Friday, isn't it?
Give you a party animal.
I'm not. I'm living out my 20s. I can't just stuck in the house every weekend. So.
Excuse for being a party animal.
I'm not a party animal. That is Reina with her friends. They went out. Hi, guys. We still going out? Of course. And then start playing music, don't they? So the vibe's nice? Well, it depends on the people. But it's a Friday, so you know we can go anywhere in the world. Book a trip to Dubai.
No.
We're driving through the town, right, to head home, and if you look closer, you see those police over there. They pulled Jaime over because they thought some illegal stuff was going on. But yeah.
You say one blood?
I don't know if I can hold the phone. I don't know if I can hold the phone. Get the phone. We're all dressed up, ready to go, on our way. We look cute, but we're super late. But we're going nonetheless.
So we reached the place, but music did play in the background and I'm never gonna get copyrighted, so that's why I hear some muted. So, yeah, and then we order drinks. This is a Tavi and Reina drink, and me have a Corona.